Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be doing a iced coffee recipe at home. Sorry if you hear a little background noise, but I do have two little girls that are making some noise and watching some TV. Yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my iced coffee at home. It's very simple, very easy. It doesn't take that much effort to make it, and I absolutely love it. I'm actually going to be using the Nespresso coffee machine. So it's from the Vertuo line, and I absolutely love this coffee machine. It's so good. I recommend it 100%. Before I had the Nespresso, I had the Ninja, and I absolutely love it. I still have it. I still use it. The recipe for this iced coffee is very simple. I only use the actual coffee, creamer, and a little bit of almond milk. So I'll show you the ingredients once we go ahead and get started, but I just want to let you know that you guys can make this coffee at home, and it doesn't necessarily have to be the Nespresso coffee maker. It can be with any other coffee that you have, the Ninja, the Keurig, a regular coffee pot coffee, pressed coffee, whatever type of coffee machine that you have at home, you can definitely achieve this coffee recipe. So I'll go ahead and stop talking with the intro, and let's go ahead and get started with this iced coffee at home recipe. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so the capsule I'm going to be using for today's recipe is the Bianco Leggero. That is the capsule that I most use for iced coffee. It's a great blend of Indonesian Arabica coffee. It's kind of light, that's what I liked, and it goes great with milk, and it's a delicious caramel and sweet biscuit note, so that's what makes it even richer when you're doing it with iced coffee. Okay, so next I'm gonna pour about 8 ounces of ice into my tumbler. It all depends on the size of cup that you're using. Okay, so these are the two milks I'll be using. It's the Khalifa almond milk in the flavor vanilla and the almond silk creamer in the flavor caramel. So what I love about this frother is that you can either do hot or cold froth. So obviously we're doing cold froth for this iced coffee. We're just gonna give it a nice little mix, make sure everything is blended, and that's it, guys. This iced coffee recipe is seriously the fastest, most easiest, yummiest iced coffee. Okay, now we're going to taste it. It's honestly one of the best iced coffees that you can make. It's so simple, so easy, and I love it. All right, so that completes today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I go ahead and invite you to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It will mean so much to me. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.